This demo will walk you through both saving and submitting your student performance roster, since saving and submitting are two separate functions with different end results. We will begin with saving student performance roster entries. There are two ways for faculty to save information. First, performance value entries can be saved from the assessment page for an individual student. Clicking Save will save the information entered so that the faculty member does not lose work that has been done. However, only the faculty member can view that information. Saving performance values does not make those values viewable by the student and does not submit them to the Office of the Registrar. After clicking Return to Student Summary, you can see that date and time values were last saved for that student are displayed. The second way that faculty can save is from the Student Summary page. If a faculty member chooses to set all blank attendance to attending using the button on the summary page, you can see that while all empty attendance boxes have been changed to attending, they have not been saved because we see that there is no date timestamp in the last saved on box. After clicking on Saved Draft Performance, you can now see that there is a last saved on date timestamp. Again, these values are only viewable by the faculty member at this point. Faculty can leave their performance roster for a class and return at a later date, and all saved information is retained. However, in order for a student or the Office of the Registrar to have access to this information, the additional step of submitting the student performance roster must be taken. To submit performance values, click Submit Performance near the top left of the page. Once submitted, you will see that all of the checkboxes under the Performance Submitted column are checked. In addition, you will notice that your last saved date timestamps are removed and replaced at the top of the page with the performance last submitted on date. As a result, whenever you look at your roster and see a last saved date timestamp, this is an indicator that you have not yet submitted your performance values. If you return at a later date and would like to submit your student performance roster without making any changes to previously selected values, you can use the Submit Performance Without Change button. After clicking this button, you will receive a message saying you have unsaved data on this page. Click OK to go back and save, or cancel to continue. To submit your roster without changes, you want to click Cancel. You will then see that the performance last submitted date has changed to the current day's date, and the Submit Performance Without Changes button is disabled. It will remain disabled until the following day to prevent accidental double submissions of rosters without any changes. Hopefully this demo clarifies the difference between saving and submitted student performance roster values.